Critics are blasting the KMT for two referendum proposals that the party put forward on Friday. The first proposal is asking for a vote against the abolition of the death penalty. The second calls for a vote to end martial law in Taiwan and is a reaction to President Lai Ching-te's recent proposal to reinstate military trials. Critics say that neither of the referendums makes sense, as the death penalty is still legal in Taiwan and the country is not under martial law.
赞成国民党党团提议请案，赞成反对请案反对。
DPP lawmakers rush back to cast their vote to oppose two referendums proposed by the KMT. The first referendum aims to stop the abolition of the death penalty in Taiwan. The second aims to stop what the KMT claims is a trend toward martial law led by the DPP government.
The death penalty has essentially been declared unconstitutional by the Constitutional Court. The court overstepped its authority and weaponized unanimous consent to prevent individual judges from independently making rulings on the matter in the future. There is no such problem as the abolition of the death penalty in Taiwan. The death penalty is still being executed. It's a fake issue. It's a fabrication created by the KMT to influence the people's right to recalls.
The KMT claims it is trying to protect Taiwan's democracy, but critics say the party is trying to draw attention away from the many recalls initiated against KMT politicians. Premier Zhuo Rongtai says neither of the issues brought up in the referendum proposals currently affect Taiwanese society.
这两件事情的不存在，日前我已经说过了。
Neither of these two issues are a thing. I've said it before. Do the proponents of the referendums think Taiwan is under martial law now?
现在政府没有的政策。
The government doesn't have policies. Proposing a referendum asking the government to stop doing something it is not doing doesn't make sense. Even if the referendum passes, it wouldn't have any effect under Article 30 of the Referendum Act.
Critics say the proposals are trying to create solutions for problems that don't exist, and election officials say that even if they pass, they won't have any effect. Still, the KMT is making a big fuss over its proposals.